Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend wealth target calculation for earning $500 in monthly dividend income. To begin with, the goal is simple. We want to understand how much investment wealth may be needed to generate $500 every month from dividends. This is useful for anyone planning passive income, reducing work pressure, or building long-term financial freedom through dividend-paying investments. First, we need to define the monthly income goal. In this example, the target is $500 per month. This means the investor wants to receive around $500 regularly as dividend income, without needing to sell shares. Next, we convert the monthly goal into an annual income goal. Since there are 12 months in a year, we multiply $500 by 12. As a result, the required annual dividend income becomes $6,000. This yearly number is important because dividend yield is usually calculated on an annual basis. After that, we estimate the average dividend yield. In this example, we are using a realistic average dividend yield of 3.5%. The dividend yield shows how much income an investment may produce each year compared with the total portfolio value. However, actual yields can vary depending on the stocks, funds, taxes, fees, and market conditions. Now, we calculate the required portfolio value. The formula is annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. So, $6,000 divided by 3.5% gives approximately $171,429. This means that, before adding a safety margin, an investor may need about $171,429 invested at a 3.5% yield to produce $6,000 per year. Then, it is smart to include a safety margin. Markets can go up and down, companies can reduce dividends, and expenses or taxes may affect the final income. In this example, a 10% safety margin is added. So, $171,429 multiplied by 1.10 gives approximately $188,572. Therefore, the final dividend wealth target is about $188,600. This is the approximate portfolio value needed to generate $500 per month in dividends, assuming a 3.5% average annual dividend yield and a 10% safety margin. In other words, if an investor builds a portfolio worth around $188,600 and it yields 3.5% annually, the expected dividend income would be about $6,601 per year. When divided by 12 months, that equals approximately $550 per month, which is slightly above the original $500 goal. Finally, remember the key idea. A higher dividend yield may reduce the amount of portfolio wealth needed, while a lower yield may require more capital. At the same time, reinvesting dividends and adding new money consistently can help grow the portfolio faster. It is also important to review the target from time to time, because income goals, dividend rates, taxes, and market conditions can change. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.